Mi-28 Havoc is an attack helicopter with no intended secondary transport capabilities, better optimized in a Mi-24 gunship for the role. It carries a single gun in an undernose barbette, plus external loads carried on pylons beneath the stub wings. The Mi-28 is a new generation attack helicopter that functions as an air-to-air and air-to-ground partner for the Mi-24 Hind and Ka-50 Hoko. The 5-blade main rotor is mounted above the body midsection, and short white tapered weapon-carrying wings are mounted to the rear of the body midsection. Two turboshaft engines in pods are mounted alongside the top of the fuselage with downturned exhausts. The fuselage is slender and tapers to the tail boom and nose. It has stepped-up tandem cockpits, a cannon mounted beneath the belly, and a tricycle tail wheel landing gear. Due to the energy-absorbing landing gear and seats, the crew can survive a vertical fall of up to 12 meters per second. The Mi-28 has a fully armored cabin, including the windshield that withstands 7.62 and 12.7 armor-piercing bullets and 20mm shell fragments. The night attack variant of the helicopter, the Mi-28N, retains the majority of the original Mi-28 structural design. The main difference is the installation of an integrated electronic combat system. Other modifications include a new main gearbox for transmitting higher power to the rotor, new high-efficiency blades with swept-shaped tips, and an engine fuel injection control. The pilot uses a helmet-mounted target designator, which allocates the target to the navigator's surveillance and fire control system. The navigator or weapons officer is then able to employ guided weapons or guns against the target. The targeting system follows the direction of the pilot's eyes. Russia's military rotary wing aircraft fleet has been fully refitted with new night vision goggles, or NVG. The Mi-28 and attack helicopters of the Russian Aerospace Forces (KS) received GEO-ONV-1 family NVGs. The latest variant of the Mi-28 is the Mi-28NM.